In today's lecture, we will discuss about the unifying themes of botany. Being student of botany or being botanist, first question that comes to you is how could you define plants? So easy or simplest definition of plants is that these are the eukaryotic multicellular photosynthetic organisms, and this is the very simple and very elaborative explanation of a plant. Our studies on plants have shown us that, like all other organisms, plants also share several important features. So, these are, and today we will discuss about those major features or those major themes which every plants share, or under the heading of major themes of botany. First feature or first characteristic of plants is that plants consist of organized parts. What does that means? It means that just as builders use the same kinds of bricks to make large or small houses, and another example is that 26 letters of alphabets, and you use those 26 letters of alphabets to make thousands of millions of words. Similarly, plants also use the small building blocks to make the different parts of their body. So just arrangement of those building blocks is different. Otherwise, their whole body is made up of simple building blocks. Another characteristic or a major theme of the botany is that plants have the ability to exchange the energy with their environment. Although organization is very important for life, it alone does not make something alive. Plants, like other organisms, absorb energy from their surroundings, and in turn they impact their environment because they use that energy in different activities. So they are also involved in the conversion of energy from one form of the energy to the another form of energy. So another major feature of the botany is that the plants have the ability to respond and adapt to the environment. Such adaptations are very important for the survival of the plants. So if they how they respond, this response includes that their ability to detect and respond to the stimuli such as gravity, their ability to convert the light energy into chemical energy, their ability to gather nutrients. These are the abilities which are very important for the survival and adaptation of the plants to their environment. Fourth major theme is the reproduction. Plants have the ability to reproduce, and they have the ability to reproduce through sexually and asexually reproduction. So sexual reproduction is basically very important for creating the diversity, and that diversity is very important, which results in the evolution. So how they go for the diversity, because diversity of the plants results from their diverse environment and differences in the DNA, and that results in the evolution. And fifth major theme of the botany, and last, this is basically the major theme of the botany, is that plants share the parts of common ancestry. Means they have the common ancestor, they have been evolved from the same unicellular organisms, or their common, and their ancestors are same. And this is the law, this is the theory which was explained by the Charles Darwin on his book on the origin of species, which was published in 1859. And in this book he has explained through different examples that all plants share some common ancestry. So these are basically the major themes of botany, which should be clear to every student or to every person who is involved in the scientific study of plants. Thank you.